Splash, only 4 years of age. Now 6 of them, right at the shallow, time to slow down the session a little, and of course to share with you some of the unique ways trainers take care of the dolphins right here in Dolphin Lagoon. With just a simple hand cue, our trainers can always ask the dolphins to open up their mouth. Now pink dolphins have approximately 120 sharp-pointed teeth in total, which are designed to grab hold on their prey. So trainers will check into their mouth regularly to make sure there's no fish bones or fish spines that may get stuck in their gums or throat. And of course right now, time to show off to you their beautiful teeth.